A narcissist's greatest weapon has never been their charm, their confidence, or their theatrics. It's the beliefs they plant inside you, beliefs designed to blind you to the very truth standing right in front of you. They want you questioning yourself while they move the pieces behind the scenes. Their goal is simple: to shape your reality so completely that you end up doubting your own heart while trusting their lies. They accuse you of the very things they themselves are doing. They project their betrayals onto you so that the spotlight never lands on their actions. While they sneak around collecting new sources of attention, they point their finger at you and ask why you're acting suspicious. It's not just manipulation. It's a way to keep you off balance, walking on eggshells, forever trying to defend yourself against crimes you never committed. When they try to hoover their way back into your life, they wrap themselves in dramatic stories, accidents, emergencies, tragedies, sudden epiphanies. They use shock and urgency to drag you back into their orbit because urgency is one of their favorite illusions. They want you reacting instead of thinking, rushing instead of observing. If they can control your attention, they can control your emotional energy. To understand a narcissist is to understand illusion. Their entire persona is a mask glued tightly to their face in the beginning, presenting the version of themselves they know you'll find irresistible. They're attentive, mirroring your values, finishing your sentences, acting like destiny has finally delivered someone who truly understands you. But the moment they secure a place in your life, after commitment, relocation, marriage, money, children, trust, that mask begins to loosen, and eventually it falls. Behind it is someone hollow, self-serving, envious, parasitic, a person who promised the sun, moon, and stars but delivered nothing but confusion and emotional depletion. All those next year promises, all the future plans, all the assurances were simply tools to keep you waiting, hoping, and sacrificing your own needs while time slipped away. You were never the problem. You were the source. Your empathy, your loyalty, your depth, your ability to love, these were the qualities they wanted to siphon. They resented you for having what they lacked, yet they clung to you because they needed it. The moment they consumed enough, or the moment you questioned too much, the devaluation began. The charm evaporated. The mask cracked. The truth began to bleed through. But the most powerful realization comes when you step away, when you block them, when you stop engaging, when the fog lifts and the spell breaks. Your clarity returns. Your health returns. Your energy returns. You begin to remember who you were before they twisted your light into something dim and uncertain. Healing is not fast and not linear, but every step away from them is a step back into your own life. You reclaim your boundaries, your identity, your intuition. You learn that no is a complete sentence. You learn that peace is worth protecting. You learn that not everyone with a human face has a human heart. The truth is that you survived them, and now your life is finally your own.